Hello everyone. So today we talk about the exercises in ratio proportion. Okay, so first I picked and an example here that is says that x is to y is given, that is 3 is to 8, y is to z is given, that is 4 is to 9. Okay, now we have to find out the x is to y is to z and then find out that x is to z. Okay, so find out for finding that x is to y is to z, you have given that x is to y and y is to z. Okay, so you can here see that y is to z is 4 is to 9 and x is to y is 3 is to 8. Okay, so here you can see that y is 8 here, the proportional value of y is 8 here and the proportional value of y is 4 here. So if you make this 4 as 8, so you will definitely equal that y. So you just have to make equal that y. Okay, so for this we just multiply this ratio by 2. You can multiply it because 4 is to 9 is same as 8 is to 18. Okay, this is the ratio, no? This is not a particular value. So whenever they talk about the ratio, you can multiply it with a certain number. Okay, like I say that x is to y is what, x is to y is that is equivalent to mx is to my, where m is a certain number. So that from this concept you can multiply that with 2. So whenever you multiply this by 2, you will get 8 is to 18. So whenever here 8 is to 18 and here 3 is to 8, so you just made x is to y is to z here like that. So that is x is to y is to z equal to 3 is to 8 is to 18, because 8 is 8 and 8 is same here. Okay, so x is to z is nothing but we taking the here x and z, so 3 is to 18, so 1 is to 6. You also can make that x equal to 3k, y equal to 8k, z equal to 18k, and then made it like this. Okay, so that is the usual method they all use, but this is nothing but a shortcut, so you can make this as simple as that. Another method we talk about, that is finding this kind of problem, that is x is to y is given, y is to z is given, and you have to find out the x is to y is to z. You came across this kind of problem in various way. Okay, in various situation. So for doing this very shortly, you have a process like x is to z equal to 3 is to y and y is to z equal to 4 is to 9. Just made it made this approach like this and this. Okay, changing the color here, that will be convenient for you. So just made it like this direction first, this direction second, and this direction is third. Okay, what is the actual work on this direction? That is, you just have to multiply all that. So like first of all what I say, that is you multiply like this direction. So that is 3 and 4, 3 and 4 is 12, so write it 12 here. Okay, I pinch it through, that will be more convenient. Okay, so just first of all this direction, so 3 into 4, that is 12, I write here. Now this direction mean 4 is to 8, that will be 32. Now 8 is to 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 is what? Now this direction, because 8 and 9, 8 9 72. So this is the ratio here, 12 is to 32 is to 72. That is quite big, and it will be cancelled out by 6, cancel out by 4. So this all three parts is cancelled out by 4. So 4, if we divide this by 4, that will be 3 is to 8 is to 18. So that will be ratio. That is same as here this. Okay, this and this is same. You can look like that. It is something that quite easy to make out. So now we talk about another, that is a is to b is given, b is to c is given, c is to d is given. You have to find out d is to a. Okay, to doing that, you first of all you find out the a is to b is to c. So here your a is to b and b is to c given. So you can find out the a is to b is as simple as that, like this method. Okay, this and this. So that will be 7 15 105, 15 8 120, and 8 into 4 32. So this is the ratio, 105 is to 120 is to 32. Okay, so now you have the c is to d, c is to d is 16 is to 21. Now this c and this c you have to make equal. Okay, here any trick will not be work, but you just have to make this 32 and this 16 equal. So making this 32, you just have to multiply it by 2. So C is to D, I just have to multiply it by 2. So that will be 32 is to 21. Okay. So whenever you get that 32 is to 20, 32 is to, sorry, not 32 is to 21, 32 is to 42. Okay, because 21 into 2, that will be 42. So 32 is to 42. Now A is to B is to C is to D is given here, that is C and C is equal. So 105, 120, 32 and 42, that will be the required ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. And now you have to say that find out D is to A. D is to A is nothing but you can make it like 105 K, A equal to 105 K, B equal to and I say that D equal to 42K. So whenever you taking the ratio, K will be cancelled out and 42 is to 105, and this is also be cancelled out by 7, so that will be 6 is to 15, and again it will cancel out by 3, so that will be 2 is to 5. So 2 is to 5 is your required answer. Okay, now another thing they are talking about, that is another thing that they are talking about, that is find the value of x such that this ratio is given here, that is 28 plus x is to 40 plus x equal to 3 is to 4. So this ratio is given. If you write this as a fractional term like 28 plus x by 40 plus x, that will be 3 by 4. So just cross multiplying that, and you will get the required result, like 428 112 and 4x plus 120 plus 3x, and this 3x will be brought here, this 3x will be brought here. So 4x minus 3x, that will be x, and 120 minus 112, that will be 8. So 80 will be your answer. Okay, so in this way you can making some problems of ratio, that will be quite easy. So that's all for today. We will see you in the next session.